Welcome to the product review for the Solera Solar Area Light. We're reviewing this completely off-grid solar product that requires no trenching and no wiring. It's literally zero cost of operation annually. We've got an 8-watt unit that is equivalent to 70 watts HID, and then we have a larger unit that is 30 watts equivalent to 250 watts HID. And this is not the solar product of previous generations. This is a commercial grade, all-in-one, bright light output solar LED fixture. We offer a variety of brackets ranging from round and square pole mounts all the way to wall mounts. What's included is our slip fitter bracket, as that is the most common for this application. A key thing to note when installing our solar area light is to face the solar panel towards the equator to get the most efficient use of the solar panel and the battery. In most cases, for our users out there, that's going to be facing the solar panel south. The light engine on the fixture is actually adjustable as well, so you can point the light to the desired direction. With solar, more sun is better. With our product, one full day of sunlight will get you up to 3 nights of light output. There's actually a photocell that's built into the solar panel itself, and on the opposite side, there's a built-in occupancy sensor. We offer 3 different operating modes that are all programmable with a simple remote. First and most efficient is occupancy sensing mode. That's going to get you the most life out of the battery. And then the second is the time control, which actually steps up and then dims down as the night progresses. And then your 1-for-1 charge is going to be your full brightness mode, in which you can actually set it to 100%, 70%, or 40% output. Now, my favorite installation of our solar area light is actually a high school in California. The parking lot that they had was very underlit, which actually had some repercussions to it. However, with our off-grid solar area light that requires no trenching, it was able to be installed easily and inexpensive due to not having to trench out to the parking lot.